If you handle hundreds of corporate PDF forms a week, typing the exact same company data over and over again, I want you to be really honest with yourself. This is a complete waste of time. And honestly, it's how typos slip through that ruin important client contracts. But you don't have to do this manually anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI to automatically map, match, and fill out your new client packets instantly using PDF.net. You can literally take an old, completed form, drop it in, and let AI do the rest. The AI analyzes your previous documents, figures out what data goes where, and maps it to your new forms flawlessly. With PDF.net, everything happens directly in your web browser, with zero software to download. Let me show exactly how it works. Head over to PDF.net and open the document you need to fill. You can click on Autofill, or simply look over at the bottom right corner. You'll see a panel that says Autofill Form. This instantly opens up a sidebar. If you have specific custom instructions or updated numbers for this exact client, you can choose to add instructions directly in the input text field. If instead you've already filled out a similar document for this person or company before, you can upload any previously completed PDF document straight into our platform. Once your reference document is uploaded, just click the button that says Fill Form and Review. Our AI will automatically analyze the document, map out the fields, and fill out your new client packets for you. Checkboxes are marked, dates are formatted correctly, and the text fits perfectly into the lines. Think about how much time this saves you over the course of a single month. What used to take hours is now completely done in minutes. Go try for free at pdf.net. The link is down in the description below. If this video is about to save you hours of paperwork this week, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, drop a comment letting me know what kind of forms you're automating, and subscribe for more smart workflow hacks. I'll see you in the next video.